making a spiced black beluga lentils. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggieoutlaws, and today we're making a spiced black beluga lentils. So hop on board and let's get cooking. Start by turning the Instant Pot on saute, and we add a 1/4 cup of vegetable broth. Let it heat up for a few minutes until it's heated. When the onion starts to dance, it's starting to steam, so I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of diced onions. Stir. I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. Add a little water if needed. 1 tablespoon of Crag seasoning. 1 tablespoon of dried mushroom powder. 1 teaspoon each of minced garlic. Worcestershire sauce. 1/2 teaspoon each of spice seasoning, black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sumac. Let cook for a few minutes. Add water if it gets too dry. Now we're going to add 1 cup of diced carrots, 1 cup of diced celery, 1 cup of diced tomato. Stir until well combined and let it cook. Now we're going to add 1 cup of washed and rinsed black beluga lentils, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 bay leaf. Stir until well combined. Now we're going to cancel the browning setting and add 2 cups low sodium vegetable broth. Stir and cook under pressure for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of cooking under pressure and 20 minutes of letting the steam escape naturally, we're going to see how the lentils look. They look delicious. Now we're going to add 1 cup of chopped kale. We're going to stir it in until the kale wilts, which will happen very quickly. Oh my goodness, that looks delicious. These lentils look so good. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.